Hi friends, this is a really cool activity you can do with an adult. It's called Let It Snow. And what it is, it says my name. So you can write your name in snowflakes. So here there's two of each letter on a snowflake. Like there's two A's, two B's, two C's, and so on. So with an adult's help, you can cut these out all the way to Z. And there's also one in black and white, there's one in color. So there's more letters if you need them. Even though when we practice writing our name, we do it in lowercase. There's a whole bunch of letters here. So you can write your name here. If you're done writing your name, you can also do other things. You can write things that you see. You can write snowman. You can write snow. You can write joy, J-O-Y. Think of other words. Look at cans. Is there something at home that you like, that you would like to write on here? You can write juice in snowflake letters onto this paper. Anything you want, you're able to use this for. With some help with an adult, this is a good idea to do together. We have lots of fun with this, friends. Bye.